Are you a fan of the Magicians? If you're a fan of the Magicians, then you are in the right place, because I'm going to show you how I put together a casual cosplay of none other than our favorite sassy queen, Margo. I chose Margo as a casual cosplay from the Magicians because her wardrobe is to die for. Yeah, the other girls look good too, but Margo's is especially mwah. There were a few key things about Margo's wardrobe on the Magicians that I wanted to make sure I copied, so that it's not going to be an exact replica because I'm not making a costume, but it's a casual cosplay, so it's got to at least represent Margo. First up, most of her fabrics are kind of metallic, and not a bright gold happy metallic, but like a dark pewter metallic. So I looked for a plus size dress that would be some kind of metallic like that, and lo and behold, I found a fantastic Lane Bryant plus size dress in my size 2X that worked perfectly. Now, I don't know how much this gorgeous dress was when it first hit the racks, but I got it for $8. She also usually has some kind of robe on in addition to whatever gorgeous dress she's wearing, because she is regal, she is royalty. But I didn't think I could find something quite like that would exactly replicate Margo's look, but I went for a kimono because it has such a flowy feel to it, and those are super easy to find. So I looked for a black sheer kimono in my size, and I got one, and it was only $20. The beauty of this, and why I didn't mind spending $20 on it, is this sucker will go with just about anything, so I can wear it all the time. Now, luckily, you can also get jewelry and accessories on Poshmark. So while I was on the app, I figured I might as well look. Of course, I had to have a crown. Margo is a queen. She wears a crown, but I wanted to get one that, again, was metallic, and she has one that looks like a leaf pattern, almost like a laurel, ring of laurel on her head. So I found a vintage gold leaf crown for only $15. It's actually a bridal tiara, but we won't tell anyone. I also wanted to wear a bracelet because a lot of her outfits have super chunky bracelets. Now, I didn't want to spend a lot of money, again, getting some kind of gorgeous, expensive, chunky bracelet. So instead, I just kind of searched for something very generic. Ended up finding an elastic sequin bracelet that was the perfect color to match the overall dark metallic vibe I have going on. And the bracelet was $16. That's probably a little more than I want to pay for an elastic bracelet, but it kind of finishes the outfit, and again, it's something that I can wear anytime. Now, if you're a fan of the Magicians, you know the one accessory that you must absolutely have if you're going to casual cosplay Margo, and that is an eye patch. Margo lost her eye. So you gotta wear the eye patch, but not just any old eye patch. Like, you can't just throw on some pirate eye patch you find at Party City. Her eye patches are beautiful. And the same awesome BFF who made my lacy headband for my Carol Baskin casual cosplay, which you can see right here, made me a beautiful eye patch. She matched the tone and the colors I was looking for. She gave it a very majestic touch. It looks formal and fancy. It was perfect. So from head to toe, from the tiara, the eye patch, the bracelet, the kimono, and the dress, I am set for a Margo casual cosplay from the Magicians. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. That way other plus size nerds will find it too. And if you want more tips and advice for plus size nerds, go ahead and subscribe and then tap that bell. Then you'll get notified every time I drop a new video. Thanks for watching.